The importance of plants, more than just scenery. Plants are essential to life on Earth. They provide us with oxygen, food, and shelter. Every breath we take is a gift from the plants around us as they convert carbon dioxide into the oxygen we need to survive. Plants are the base of the food chain. Animals, including humans, depend on plants for their survival. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature relies on plants either directly or indirectly for nourishment. Imagine a world without plants. It would be a barren and lifeless place. The vibrant colors of nature would be replaced by dull, desolate landscapes. The air would be unbreathable and the soil would be infertile. Without plants, there would be no oxygen to breathe. There would be no food to eat. Supermarket shelves would be empty, and our diets would be devoid of the essential nutrients that plants provide. Plants also play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our planet. They help to regulate the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. This process helps to mitigate the effects of climate change. They prevent soil erosion. Their roots hold the soil together, preventing it from being washed away by rain. They provide habitats for countless species of animals, offering food, shelter, and breeding grounds. In short, plants are essential for life as we know it. Without them, our planet would be a very different place. They are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem, quietly working to sustain life on Earth. We must cherish and protect them for the sake of our future. Photosynthesis, fueling our world. Have you ever wondered how plants make their own food? It's a fascinating process that happens all around us, every single day. The answer is photosynthesis. This remarkable process is what allows plants to harness energy from the sun and convert it into sugars. These sugars are essential for the plant's growth and development. These sugars are the building blocks of plant growth and the source of energy for all living things that consume plants, including us. Without photosynthesis, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Photosynthesis is like a magical recipe. Imagine a chef in a kitchen, mixing ingredients to create a delicious dish. In this case, the chef is the plant, and the ingredients are sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. These elements are absorbed through tiny openings in the leaves called stomata and through the roots. Using sunlight as their energy source, they transform these simple ingredients into glucose, a type of sugar. This glucose is then used to fuel the plant's activities and growth. As a byproduct of this process, plants release oxygen into the atmosphere. This oxygen is crucial for the survival of most living organisms on Earth, including humans. So, next time you take a breath, remember to thank the plants for their incredible work. Photosynthesis unveiled, a step-by-step process. Let's take a closer look at the fascinating process of photosynthesis, a process that is fundamental to life on Earth. 1. Capturing sunlight. Plants have specialized cells called chloroplasts that contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll acts like a solar panel, absorbing sunlight and converting it into chemical energy. This energy is crucial for the next steps in the photosynthesis process. 2. Splitting water. Water absorbed by the plant's roots is transported to the leaves through a network of veins. Inside the chloroplasts, the energy from sunlight is used to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. This process is known as photolysis. The hydrogen atoms are essential for the next stage, while the oxygen is a byproduct that will be released. 3. Fixing carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny pores on their leaves called stomata. This carbon dioxide is combined with the hydrogen atoms from the split water molecules to form glucose. This stage is known as the Calvin cycle for creating sugars. The glucose produced during photosynthesis is the plant's primary source of energy. It is used for growth, reproduction, and other life processes. Glucose is a versatile molecule that can be converted into various forms to meet the plant's needs. Excess glucose is stored as starch, which can be broken down later when needed. This storage ensures that the plant has a reserve of energy for times when sunlight is not available. 5. Releasing oxygen. The oxygen that is left over after the water molecules are split is released into the atmosphere. This is the very oxygen that we breathe. The oxygen released during photosynthesis is essential for the survival of most living organisms on Earth. In summary, photosynthesis is a complex but incredibly efficient process that sustains life on our planet. From capturing sunlight to releasing oxygen, each step plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Understanding photosynthesis not only helps us appreciate the natural world, but also inspires innovations in fields like renewable energy and agriculture. So next time you take a breath of fresh air or enjoy a delicious fruit, remember the incredible journey of photosynthesis that made it all possible. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of photosynthesis. Stay curious and keep exploring the marvels of nature. Sunlight and chlorophyll. Capturing the energy of the sun. The first step in photosynthesis is capturing sunlight. This is where chlorophyll comes in. Chlorophyll is a pigment that absorbs light energy. Chlorophyll is found in chloroplasts, which are specialized structures within plant cells. When light strikes chlorophyll, it excites an electron in the chlorophyll molecule. This excited electron has more energy than it did before. This extra energy is used to power the rest of the photosynthetic process. The light-dependent reactions are the first stage of photosynthesis. These reactions occur in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. During the light-dependent reactions, light energy is used to split water molecules into oxygen, hydrogen ions, and electrons. The electrons are passed along an electron transport chain, releasing energy along the way. This energy is used to pump hydrogen ions across the thylakoid membrane, creating a concentration gradient. This gradient is then used to generate ATP, the energy currency of cells. The Calvin cycle is the second stage of photosynthesis. These reactions occur in the stroma of chloroplasts. During the Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is fixed into organic molecules. This process is called carbon fixation. The fixed carbon is then used to build sugars, such as glucose. ATP and NADH produced during the light-dependent reactions provide the energy for the Calvin cycle. The importance of water in photosynthesis. Water plays a crucial role in photosynthesis. It is a reactant in the light-dependent reactions, providing the electrons needed to replace those lost by chlorophyll. Water also helps to transport nutrients and sugars throughout the plant. Without water, photosynthesis would not be possible. That's why it's essential to water plants regularly, especially during dry periods. Photosynthesis and the balance of life. Photosynthesis is not only essential for plant life, but also for the balance of the entire biosphere. Here's why. 1. Oxygen production. Photosynthesis is the primary source of oxygen in the atmosphere. This oxygen is essential for the survival of all aerobic organisms, including humans. 2. Carbon dioxide removal. Photosynthesis removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process helps to regulate Earth's climate and prevent the planet from becoming too warm. 3. Food source. Photosynthesis is the foundation of most food chains on Earth. Plants produce the sugars that provide energy for all other organisms, either directly or indirectly. Conclusion. Appreciating the magic of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a truly remarkable process that sustains life on Earth. This intricate dance between sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide allows plants to create their own food and provide us with the oxygen we breathe. By understanding the science behind photosynthesis, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the vital role plants play in our world. Call to action. Engage with the wonders of science. Did you find this explanation of photosynthesis fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. Share this post with your friends and family to spread the knowledge about this amazing process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting science content.